Empower connects directly to your bank account to track income, spending, and eligibility for cash advances, which means it has read-only access to your financial data rather than full control over your account. By the end, you'll know how Empower works, what data it can see, what risks actually exist, and whether it's safe to use in 2026. Start with what the app actually does. Empower is a financial app that links to your bank account to analyze income and transaction activity. It uses that data to offer features like cash advances and budgeting tools based on your financial behavior. Now, explain the key safety point. Empower typically uses read-only bank connections. That means it can view your transactions and deposits but cannot directly move money out of your bank account on its own. Now explain what that means in simple terms. It reduces risk because the app is not acting like a bank transfer tool with full withdrawal control. But it still relies on sensitive financial data, so account security matters. Now move into the real risks. The main risk is not money being stolen directly from your bank through Empower. The real risk is data exposure if your account credentials or connected services are compromised elsewhere. Now, explain another concern. Cash advance apps can also encourage frequent borrowing behavior. That does not affect safety in a technical sense, but it can affect financial stability if usage is not managed carefully. Now explain verification and security layers. Empower uses identity verification and bank connection security systems to confirm account ownership. These systems are designed to prevent unauthorized access and reduce fraud risk. Now explain what users should check before trusting it. You should always verify that you downloaded the official Empower app from a legitimate App Store listing. You should also check what permissions the app is requesting, and ensure you understand what data access is being granted. Now give a simple safety breakdown. Empower is generally considered safe to use from a technical standpoint because it uses standard bank connection systems and does not directly control bank withdrawals. The safety depends more on user behavior, account security, and how responsibly the app is used. Now summarize the key points. Empower uses read-only access to connect to your bank. It does not directly withdraw money from your account. And the main risk is data security and financial behavior, not direct theft. One practical next step. Wide. Check your connected bank permissions inside Empower and confirm it only has read access, because that is the key indicator of how your data is being used. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps, without confusion or fear-based explanations.